In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Zoho Invoice, whether you're updating the base currency for your entire organization or managing multiple currencies for different clients. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure you can make these changes with confidence and ease. First, you need to navigate to the appropriate section within Zoho Invoice to change your currency settings. Begin by logging in to your Zoho Invoice account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Settings section. You can usually find this in the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. It's the part of Zoho Invoice where you handle all your organizational configurations. Within the Settings menu, you'll look for the option labeled Organizational Profile. Click on this option. This is where you will find all key details about your organization's settings, including currency configurations. This area allows you to adjust your organization's base currency, among other things, to facilitate smoother financial transactions and maintain clarity in your business dealings. In the Organizational Profile section, look for the tab specifically marked Base Currency. This tab is your gateway to changing the fundamental currency settings for your organization. It's crucial because the base currency is what Zoho Invoice uses as the primary currency for transactions and reports, unless specified otherwise. As you explore further, you will notice a hyperlink labeled Transactions. This link is essential to your next step. By clicking on this hyperlink, you'll be led to a window where you can change the base currency, which will influence how transactions are recorded and reported. When the Change Base Currency window appears, you'll see a drop-down list. This drop-down contains various currency options you can choose from. Carefully select the currency you wish to use by scrolling through the list and clicking on your desired currency option. Take a moment to ensure you select the correct currency that best suits your organization's needs or the requirements of your specific clients. Once you've made your selection, locate the Save button. It's important to click this to finalize your changes. By doing so, you're instructing Zoho Invoice to update your organization's settings to use the newly selected base currency. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully changed the currency settings in Zoho Invoice. Remember to double-check the currency you've selected to avoid any future transactional confusion. This small but significant change will help you manage your finances more efficiently and cater to the diverse currency needs of your clients. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.